Hello, and welcome. I wanted to take a short moment to thank everybody that's a subscriber to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. I've come a long ways to get where I am, and your support helps me. I enjoy waking up every morning and seeing positive criticism about my artwork and what I should improve. And those of you that are new, please subscribe. Your subscription and your feedback means a lot to me. I'll always be here if you need to talk to me, and I'll always consider any criticism, be it positive or negative. And I'll continue doing this, and I'm glad to have you here on the journey with me as I create the best art I can make. I enjoy doing this, and every subscription matters to me. I'm not here for fame or fortune. I'm here to do what I enjoy, something I've always loved doing that takes my mind off of everything, that gives me positive thinking and a reason to go on, to keep going and to never give up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this. Have a good day.